Hello and welcome back, everybody. And today is an exciting day for me because I'm going on a long ride. First long ride with the KTM 390 Adventure, spoked wheels. And also, as monsoon has started, the last vlog was about trail. This vlog is going to be about a long ride to a place called Kumbhe Waterfall, located near Murshi, just a little bit ahead of Murshi. So we'll be exploring that waterfall, and as I've heard, it is not yet fully explored, and I'm going to be there and show you all how the waterfall is and how the KTM 390 feels on my first touring ride and how it feels in the monsoons. So I'm just warming up the now. My first stop will be at Shell near Lavas. From there, I'll join the group and we'll be heading to the Kumbhe waterfall. Till then, see you. So we have reached our first point, meetup point, but all the group has left और हम लोग तीनों ही पीछे पड़ गए और हम लोग तीनों ही जा रहे हैं अभी because all the group is gone ahead and it is quite far away, so मैं उनको बोला कि आप निकल जाओ. So here we are. Our first stop was the Shell fuel pump just before Lavasa, and we'll be taking the ADV 390 today, Duke 390 and the CBR 250. This is one legendary bike. Can you believe this bike is 11 years old and it is still running like butter? It's just too smooth. So here we are. अभी इधर से all 100 kilometers away है. This is my first time going there. Even that is Sultan trying to bomb me. So this is my first time going to the waterfall. So हम लोग के पास GPS तो नहीं, अभी पूछते पूछते जाएंगे. So we have stopped for a small break and just looked at the view. So this is Tamini Ghat. This is somewhere just before Mangaon and the waterfall road. Just look around. Rains have made it even more beautiful than it always is. Just look at the clouds have come down. And there are our dirty bikes. I've probably not even enjoyed this much that I'm enjoying on this middleweight segment bikes. And touring, as I said, is a new genre for me, but it's completely fun touring. It feels very nice and peaceful. And the best is yet to come. We're on the way. We're not even half of the way. I think we'll take 2 more hours from here. So let's go. After crossing Murshi and Tamini, you reach at this junction. You have to take a left from this junction to reach the waterfall. So this is the T junction. If you go straight from here, you go to Devkund. You have to take this left. So you'll be coming from this side and turning left for the waterfall. So MIDC road, you go straight and again take a left. So finally we have reached the Kumbhe tunnel and finally we met everybody. Everybody was waiting here already. We got late, so हम लोग उनको मिल नहीं पाए. ये है सब लोग and here are the bikes. Hello Sandeep sir. That's the beautiful XR And this is the tunnel, and the waterfall is just ahead of this tunnel. Now we'll cross the tunnel. I'll put the video inside. It's super scenic and beautiful. There are no lights in the tunnel. It's completely raw, like the old days. Just take a look at it. I'll just show you the beautiful view from the tunnel. This is the beautiful view we have. So finally we have reached the waterfall, and this is the wonderful view that we've rode for 3 long hours. Just look at this. It's a beautiful, beautiful waterfall. If you live near Pune or Mumbai, this is one place you should 100% explore on the bike. इधर तक bike नहीं आती है. You have to trek a little bit, but this is a place that you definitely should come to. Just look at how beautiful it is. And the view here is just crazy. I'm putting the exact description of the place and the location in the description box below. I guess this is all for today from my side. Stay tuned for more vlogs just like this. My name is Atharva. This is my time, and I'll see you all soon in a super cool video just like this. Take care.